There's probably a case for me calling this YouTube video scruffiest photographer on YouTube.
I've never met anyone like you.
I think street photography, a lot of street photography is kind of smoke and mirrors. There's a lot of images on my portfolio where where images can come along across as being like quite aggressive. So for example, this image here. Okay, I mean, this guy looks as if he's just about to lump me, doesn't he? He literally looks well pissed off. Like he's got a lot on his mind. But I'm kind of only showing you what the images that I want you to see. Kind of want that little bit of a, oh, like, what, fur. But basically, this guy was like, he was just like a really sweet guy. And had like, he was kind of down on his luck a little bit. You know, he was homeless, but he's kind of, you know, he hadn't given up. He was kind of, he was on the balls of his feet. He was kind of, he was keeping himself fit, and we just had a chat and a little bit of a giggle. This photograph here, same thing. Now the guy was coming towards me. It was a little bit of a kind of risk moving into him. And usually with this kind of a character, I'm kind of more, like I talked about on the last video, I'm kind of shooting from the inside out. I kind of want to get a feel for the scene first, the person, the character, perhaps even get to know them a little bit, and then I'll get those street portraits. But with this one, I did kind of dive in and get my shots as I was walking into him. But I kind of felt, I just had a feeling that it was fine, you know, it was appropriate. And we had a little, he was sweet, he was really sweet. He started posing for me. This shot here, Brick Lane Mick, yeah? He's like pointing in the camera, looks like a little bit pissed off. Brick Lane Mick was one of the sweetest characters I've ever come across in relative to street photography. And I've got a whole bunch of shots where he's smiling into the camera, but it's kind of not my game, is it? I want that little bit of a mood, that little bit of an edge to my work, and that's the images that I kind of show you guys. So yeah, smoke and mirrors. Do you know what I mean? It's just like tiny little fraction of a sliver of time that we're capturing. Yeah, and quite often people are like looking at my images and they're kind of not seeing the bigger picture, which is fine, but the bigger picture is very, very big. So you can't always judge a book or a photograph by the cover, so to speak. Guys, there's a whole bunch of you not subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe. It's a really big support for me, guys, and like this video. Again, pretty short and sweet, but I just want to get some content out for you guys, and I'll tidy myself up for the next video, I promise. Yeah, see you on the next video, guys.
I've never met anyone like you.